Hi there. Well, today we have a 2001 Lincoln Town Car with a Misfire and no codes, and we are looking at the Misfire data here, and you can see cylinder 5 is dropping out, but not that bad. See, there it goes. See the miss, it just dropped. And that's the power balance test. So if you look at the ignition signal on the scope, you can see how that is affecting it. That's the difference right here with the ignition coil causing a problem. You can look into the power balance and it's saying cylinder 5 misfire. So now if we want, we go into mode 6 and we look at the data of the cylinder 5. See right here, cylinder 5 4.2, all the rest of the cylinders is 0. So we know we are having a misfire in cylinder 5. Different ways to pick it out, okay? So what we're gonna do now is change the coil, clear the computer, start the car and see what's good.